एक सेकेंड. Yeah. And
therefore they're all pleasing to the eyes of others.
what is all
Your
please? Your eyes are spread. Okay.
eyes, eyes of others. Your lotus feet are so soft and delicate that they're always worshipped by your unalloyed devotees, and they pacify their lotus like hearts. Uh,
Okay.
Lotus.
I therefore repeatedly.
I therefore repeatedly offer my respectful obeisances unto you. You possess all kinds of religions, fame, property, knowledge, and renunciation. You are the shelter of all five opulences. Although you are all pervading, you have nevertheless appeared as the son of Vasudeva. Please therefore accept my respectful obeisances. You are the original supreme personality of Godhead and the supreme cause of all causes. Only your lordship is the reservoir of all knowledge. Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto you. Personally, you are unborn. Still, you are the father of the whole cosmic manifestation. You are the reservoir and shelter of all kinds of energies. The manifestive appearance of this world is caused by you, and you are both the cause and effect of this cosmic manifestation. Please therefore accept my respectful obeisances. My dear Lord, as for the three gods, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, they are also not independent of you. When there is necessity of creating this cosmic manifestation, you create your passionate, and when you want to maintain the cosmic manifestation, you expand yourself as Lord Vishnu, the reservoir of all goodness. Similarly, you appear as Lord Shiva, master of the modes of ignorance, and thus dissolve the whole creation. Your transcendental position is always maintained in spite of creating these three modes of material nature. You are never entangled like the ordinary living entities with these modes of material nature. Actually, my Lord, you are the material nature, you are the Father of the universe, and you are the eternal time that has caused the combination of nature and the material creator. Still, you are always transcendental to all these material activities. My dear Lord, O Supreme Personality of Godhead, I know that earth, water, fire, air, sky, the the five sense objects, mind, the senses, and their deities, egotism, as well as the total material energy, everything animate and inanimate in this phenomenal world is resting upon you. Since everything is produced of you, nothing can be separated from you. Yet, since you are transcendently situated. Neither can anything material be identified with your personality. Everything is therefore simultaneously one and different from you. And the philosophers who try to separate everything from you are certainly mistaken in their viewpoint.
Hare
My
Krishna,
dear Lord,
Vivek. Vivek, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Vivek.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Who is there?
Actually, Prabhuji, I'm his wife, Kalyani. Just
Oh,
wanted.
okay. You can
Hare
read.
Krishna, Prabhuji.
You can read.
Yeah, Prabhuji.
We came here and we actually were running through the pastime, but then say we cannot miss the prayer. So let us, generally we don't carefully read the prayers. The prayers of Bhudevi to her husband Krishna only, her husband, isn't it?
Yeah, Prabhuji.
So you can read now, remaining, my dear Lord. Are you
Prabhuji, I have to see.
are you able to see in the mobile? No. Huh?
It's very tiny, Prabhuji. I have to see.
Rohan, read.
my dear Lord, may I inform you that this boy, whose name is Bhagadatta, is the son of my son, Bhaumasura. He has been very much affected by the ghastly situation created by the death of his father and has become very much confused, being afraid of the present situation. I have therefore brought him to surrender unto your lotus feet. I
Prabhuji, can
request your
Continue.
I request your lordship to give shelter to this boy and bless him with your lotus feet. I am bringing him to you so that he may become relieved from the reactions of all the sinful activities of his father.
Okay, so Krishna said to Bhagtata, don't be afraid. And then something is going to happen. We'll go tomorrow and analyze the pastime. Krishna marrying 16,100. Mataji, at this time we have the evening arti called Shayan Arti, Radha Krishna Pranamura in our temple. Okay? So we thank you all for joining. We This is the daily serial, 7:45 to 8:15, short half an hour, if it is possible, everybody. At same
Thank
time,
you, Prabhuji.
Mataji, same time we also have in the morning. You're also working or you're housewife?
Yeah, Prabhuji, I'm working in, I'm medical professional, working in Mumbai in JJ Hospital.
Hello.
Actually connected to
I know. Next time, both of you come. When you come to Mangalore. Okay?
Hare Krishna.
When you're coming to Mangalore, please come along with your husband.
Definitely, Prabhuji. I'm glad to tell you that Prabhuji is just initiated.
Ah, he sent me his name also.
Yeah, thank you, Prabhuji. So this is now inspiration for me to move ahead because I'm a bit.
Chalo, nice. Okay. Sorry, Mataji, we have to break now. Actually, if you want, we all can hear the Radha Krishna Pranama prayer. Okay? But
Hare
we have,
Krishna Prabhu. Just
yes,
one question.
no question now. Aarti
No,
time.
I'm just not from this Bhagavatam.
No, Aarti time, 8:15.
Okay, then no, I'll message you separately then.
Shri Radha Govinda ki.
Jai.
Jai,
Nitai ki.
Jai.
Jai.
If you want, you can join Radha Krishna Pranamura. Shri Shri Radha Govinda ki.
Jai.
Jai.
Nitai ki.
Jai.
Prabhupada ki.
Jai.
Okay, I'm some design now appearing. Just wait now. Yes, not this one. This is the one. This is what we're going to sing now.
Yes, Prabhu.
Who's singing, Shira?
No, I know this prayer, Prabhu.
Yes, sir. Shri Shri Radha Govinda ki, Shri Shri Radha ki, Shri Prabhupada ki. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Radha Krishna, Shri Radha Govinda ki. Radha Krishna Pranamura, Mangala Kishore. Radha Krishna Pranamura,
Jivane marane nabiri aranani mohona. Jivane marane nabiri aranani mohona. Jivane marane nabiri aranani Aliniya kule kai agame namana. Aliniya kule kai agame namana. Aliniya kule kai agame namana. Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nasi Raghunatha Chaitanya Prabhu Nasi Raghunatha Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nasi
Mute me, Sridhara. Hare Krishna, Rohan. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, sir.
You could hear in the last part, he muted, no, by mistake, Sridhara.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You want to meet Pavel?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You want to talk to him, Pavel? He's there.
Oh, yes, sir.
Every day selling books, going for Harina. He's coming to college also with me. I'll see if you can talk to him.
Yes.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Rohan. Oh.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
How are you, Prabhu?
Okay.
How is your health, Prabhu?
You have to type in Russian.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Take care of yourself, Prabhu.
Okay.
Okay.
Then when you are coming again?
सर अभी अगला मतलब अप्रैल में आऊंगा सर अभी शिफ्ट करने के बाद सर अहमदाबाद
Shifting to Ahmedabad then.
यस
Come.
यस
Okay.
ओके सर हरे कृष्ण